televiewers! Nandito na naman tayo sa Sevan Theater para panoodin si Martin and Pops! Siyempre, sexing ay na may batang jowa. Halika na, panoodin na natin.
Tachi ka, Tachi.
No. I was like
Doon tayo galing the other night, di ba? Tachi.
Tachi.
Casino. Remember we were there?
That's right.
Have you been there? Tachi Casino?
Tachi Casino. Layo doon.
Puro mga baka lang, di ba?
Yung nakita, puro lubat. Tapos mamaya meron casino. Daming baka, tupa. Tapos sa gitna may, casino? Parang gano'n. Nasa Beverly Hills ka, partner. So how are you gonna speak in English in Beverly Hills?
Well,
So, kunyari tinanong kita, so have you eaten? Well,
kita ng boses dito.
paano?
Ina! How are you today?
At saka parang may question, di ba, partner?
Ano silang kailangan lahat ng hilagin mo? Labas, I'm good.
I wanna be a billionaire, it's so freaking bad. Why are all the things that Pops took really bad? I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
I'll be your girl, backstage at your show, velvet ropes and guitars, 'cause you know I'm starting between the sets, eyeliner and cigarettes. Shadow is burnt, yellow dancing return, my lashes are dry, but the teardrops I cried don't have a price. Loving you is cherry pie, 'cause you know that baby
Ito papakita ko. Hindi ko sinasabi pangalan nito sa Pilipinas, ha. Ngayon ko lang sasabihin kasi malayo kayo rito. Tsaka nandiyan yung kamag-anak nila. Ano siya? Si Jed Alvin Sala. Marikan. Wag ako, no?
Hey, curfew mo.
Sorry sa akin. Halika na.
Pareho tayo dito. Can you put this on?
Actually, ako nga pinapatay kung giniginaw ako eh.
I'm so hot.
Ang ginaw.
Hot. Is that right?
Stop touching my leg.
Sorry, it's right there.
I don't know if you're doing that.
Visible to the world.
I know.
Can you feel it?
You can look, but you can't touch. There
You should have said that before, but still be there. Anyway, Penthouse Live at the end of the show, right before the closing credits, the two hosts sang the most beautiful duets ever written. Here are some of them.
Ang hirap umupo sa may butas pa pala dito.
Your softness, comfort me through all this softness.
Hanggang dyan ka lang ha.
Woman, don't you know I'm born again?
Mark, I'm kind of sensitive now. Stop. Come bring me your sweetness. Now there's you, there is no weakness. Lying safe within your arms, I'm born again.
I was half, not whole. Instead, with none,
Reaching through this world in need of one. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. It seems the natural thing to do.
no one's gonna find us. We'll leave the world behind us.
When I
Time to love.
you.
Wow! Another successful event here at the Sevan Theater in Beverly Hills. Siyempre, Martin Rivera, concert king pa rin. Pops, kakaiba, alluring, sexy. And of course, comedy pa rin ang dating. Kakaiba. See them next year. And Ana Puno, congratulations for 1,800 attendees. Galing! Join us in Facebook. This is Jovi Zamora of Philam TV.